a picture of you both, please.
We're so happy. Nakakalakad ka na. How do you feel your best friend made it all the way to Vietnam just to watch you?
Congrats, Artisa! We love you so
Lisa, how are you
much.
feeling now? Okay ka na?
I'm good, I'm good. Laban lang.
Super laban.
Yeah, but I'm sorry.
No touching.
Thank you.
Super laban,
And I'm
Artisa.
gonna try my best to rest again, so go ulit. So I'm gonna try long resting.
Diyos-Diyosahan lang yung peg mo kanina.
Ang Diyos, oh my God. Super! Tsaka having fun. Masaya.
How's your foot na? It's okay na.
Yeah, it's a little painful when I step. Feeling ko nga tabi ako kanina.
Hindi naman. Bongga naman.
Naintindihan ka namin. Alam mo, sobrang relief namin na talagang masaya kang nagrumarampa ako. Kasi kung may iniinda kang sakit, hindi ko naramdaman yun sa
Correct. Tsaka yung energy mo, sobra as in.
Yeah, I was trying my best. Really.
Na-appreciate namin yun, Artisa. Love you so much.
Thank you so much for listening to my voice. Sana napanood niyo yung performance ko and let me know what you think of it. Bakit nabigay? Kasi feeling ko dapat hindi ako.
Pero gusto mo ka agad, girl.
Siya, pero kaya naman, kaya.
Okay, so maraming painkillers, alam ko.
Always, yes, I have 3.
Yeah. Buti naman na nabigyan ka ng first aid ng mga
Yes,
staff.
they did, and they brought me to the hospital pa to check me for MRI. So they really took care of me in that sense.
So you're okay to perform na until Saturday?
Of course. If today I can perform, what more on Saturday?
Okay, sige. Salamat din pinaglaban mo ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat, Atisa. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Artisa.